Happy Boxing Day. Yesterday we celebrated Christmas Day. Come take a walk in my kitchen. Let me show you how I go down Christmas Day cooking all of these delicious Jamaican cuisine as an island girl living in Canada. So, I started out with my escovitch fish, and I've done a video before to show you how I do my escovitch fish. Next on the menu was my roast chicken. Put that in the oven, and then I started working on my rice, gungo rice and peas. Yes. Have you cooked rice in the oven before? Stay tuned because you're going to see how this rice came out after baking in the oven. Next was my cornbread. And over here, I do my cornbread from scratch. No Jiffy cornbread around here. Then was my mac and cheese. While all of these, I will be baking in the oven. And I started cooking at around after 12. And I was done cooking by 3:30. By 4, we were ready to eat. Yes, some of these I prepped the night before. And also early in the morning, I prepped. And then I enjoyed my Christmas Day until it was time to get cooking. Now I ensured I prep all these, put them in the oven, and now it was time to clean up the kitchen, wash all the dishes. And yeah, you like my Christmas outfit? It's just nice and cozy on a Christmas Day, cooking all these delicious food for my family. And see, kitchen done, clean up, pack away. And now it's time to show you the big reveal of all the meals that are been done cooking. That's the escovitch sauce. So this was one thing that I prepped the night before I made my escovitch sauce. Look at this fish. How much of this fish you would have? I also did some fried bami and some festival also. Yeah, we have escovitch fish. We have to have some bami or festival to go with it. How do you like my roast chicken? And I did the veggies underneath, so that was an extra on the side. I had roasted potatoes and roasted green beans. Now look at this rice and peas. Tell me if you will be trying your rice and peas in the oven. Nicely done. And look at the cornbread. Lord jeez. Crispy, nice, golden, soft. Now it's time for Abby to do his thing. Yeah, his thing is usually to put out to set up. And look at this, guys. Done. I did my sorrel from before, as you know, and my fruit cake, as you know. What from this would you be having? The only thing I didn't do was the oxtail. But dinner was done, and that was some potato salad, which I did the night before also. That's my little helper, as you know. Now tell me, how was your Christmas dinner, and what did you do? What were your main dishes? And these were nicely served warm with our warmers. We had an awesome Christmas Day, and I hope you did also. Thanks for watching as usual, and let me know which one you want more details on, and I'll share more.